So if the power outlet on your Ford F150 is not working, well, there are a few common things here that you need to check before heading to the mechanic. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to inspect the fuses. So sometimes you may just have like a blown fuse. So that's the common reason outlets stop working here. So your owner's manual will show the fuse box location and the correct fuse to replace. And also, you may want to look for wiring issues. Now, loose or damaged wires can interrupt power flow here, so if you're not confident in checking them yourself, it's best to get a professional to inspect them. And also, you may want to test the outlet itself by plugging in different devices. Now, if nothing works, the outlet may be faulty and require replacement. And also, you may want to check for any software updates. Sometimes an update can resolve electrical glitches and restore functionality. Now, if none of this actually work, the best and fun thing that you could try doing here is to have a professional or a mechanic to have this check. Because usually it may be something a lot deeper here. So doing it a lot safety first, or to avoid any further issues, the best thing you can do here is just let the mechanic to check it for you. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to end of the inspo. Thank you for watching.